What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and we just pulled up to another Goodwill here. And basically, I wanted to make this video on how you guys are going to be able to make thousands of dollars next week. That's what I'm telling you in advance, because there are some things that you are going to need for this. So next week, you are going to be able to literally make thousands of dollars at this place if you do the method I'm about to tell you guys, right? So if you're a Landshark Profits member, you guys already know what I'm talking about. This is the perfect Goodwill plan, so you guys will literally be able to make thousands of dollars next week, right? So this all has to do with the Customer Appreciation Day, right? So last time I told you guys, a Goodwill plan or whatnot, this is basically the same plan, just built and, improved on. So what you're going to need for this is 2 people. So you got an entire week to go out, or almost damn near 2 weeks. You got almost 2 weeks to go out and find someone that has the same birthday month as you, or find 2 people in the same birthday month this is. So for example, my birthday is this month, and I found someone else, with the same birthday, this month as well. Now, that person also has to meet the qualifications on whatever day the Customer Appreciation Day falls on. So for example, this month here, it's going to fall on a Wednesday, and that person has to be over the age of 55 or 65 or something like that. Basically, they have to be older, so that way they can get the senior discount, right? So they're going to get 15% off, right out the gate for being a senior. Then they're going to get 25% off because their birthday is the same month. And then they're going to get another 25% off because, the Customer Appreciation Day. So right there, that's what, 65% off the entire order right then and there, right? So not bad at all. 65% off. And then if you get something with the blue or red, whatever tag it is in your area, you're going to get another 50% off that particular item. So basically, you're getting 65% off no matter what, and then another 50% off on certain items. That's just like icing on the cake right there. You go in there, you see something for $100, you're going to spend $45 for it. That's 65% off right then and there. So this is going to be like, the perfect time. So if you got a couple $1,000 or even like $1,000, let's say you got $1,000, this is the perfect time to do it, because this is going to give you an extra $650 extra right out the gate, to play with, basically. So you're going to spend $450, and save 650, but you're still spending your original 1,000. You know what I'm saying? You're just getting all these discounts. And then on top of that, you're also going to get another, so if you spend $1,000, you're going to get another $50 in credit, that you're going to be able to use in 10 days. So it's just all good with this method here, but it doesn't stop there, right? So once you, do that 2 days, you're going to get these coupons that they're every time you spend, like, I think it's $25 or something like that, you're going to get another 20% off coupon they're going to give you, right? So then that's where I come in, right? So I use them for that day, on Wednesday, and then I'm going to take all the 20% off coupons, and I'm going to use them on Friday. So then that's where I'm going to use my birthday discount, which is 25% off. Then I'm going to get the 10% off for the student discount, and then of course we're going to get that 20% off from the Customer Appreciation Day. So that right there alone, again, that's going to be like, what, another 50 or 60% off or something like that. So not bad at all. Plus, again, getting more points on top of that. And then on top of that, we're going to get, if we buy something with a certain, whatever color tag it is, for the week, we're going to get another, 50% off those particular items. So that is the perfect Goodwill plan, guys. You will literally be able to make thousands of dollars over basically got a week or two to plan. You got 2 weeks or whatever. Find someone, for this month here. If your birthday isn't this month, then you have to go and find 2 people, because you have to do this with 2 people if you want the maximum amount of way, to get money or whatever for the entire little period. So you got day 1, then you got 2 more days with the 20% off coupons. After that, they expire. At least in my area, that's how it works, right? Also, you can do this method in other areas as well. So let's say you only have like 10 or 15 Goodwills in your entire area, because that's how it is for me. Like, I don't have a lot of Goodwills in this region here. That's like where my normal route is or whatever. So once I hit about an hour and 30 minutes going down, just straight down one area, basically I need another card. So now I have another card in that area region as well. So I'm going to hit that one and do the 25% off. Basically the same plan over there, all in the same day. So this is going to be a lot of work. You know, I already got a U-Haul van rented for that day. Well, not a U-Haul van, but, you know, like a van rented for that day to go out, you know, burn up and do a whole bunch of stuff so I don't put the wear and tear on my car. Not to mention in the Camaro, you don't have a lot of space. And then, you know, the only reason I do it in my Camaro now is because, you know, I'm not buying anything big. But there have been times where I've seen stuff that, you know, would have just like been great, but, you know, to send in or whatever, but I literally just couldn't fit it in the car. That's the only downfall about sports cars. You know, they are not good on space at all. Like, I don't even consider the back seats. They're more like, you know, just continuous like trunk space. Like, I mean, it's just horrible. And then the trunk space is like that big. Like, I mean, all the other ones is like from here to like here, you know what I'm saying, like that. And then ours is like this, like it's just horrible, you know. Like, but you get in these cars, you know, to drive around and look nice or whatever. You're not, you know, trying to do anything flashy or whatever. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's the perfect GoodWill plan, at least as of right now. You know, again, gonna build and improve on it over time. But yeah, you got 2 weeks, you know. So over the next week or two or whatever, find 2 people. If this is your birthday month, you know, get you some money, and then just this is the time to do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is the time to do it. Like, I'm taking the entire, you know, paycheck or whatever we get from this here and putting it directly back into and buying everything here at the GoodWill that I possibly can. You know, like I said, got the U-Haul van rented, just gonna try to go out and just hit, you know, over and over and over. Let me know if your customer appreciation day is on a different day, because I don't know. I think it's 25. I mean, on the 15th, like nationwide, but I have no idea. I just assume that because, I mean, that's how it is on their commercials or whatever. But let me know if it's different in your area, whatever the case may be. You know, if you're not a Landshark Profits member, again, I have no idea what you guys are doing. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, comment below, all that fun stuff. But, you know, guys, do not sleep on the GoodWill. I'm telling you, on the 15th of the month, you guys should be right here and you will make thousands of dollars. It's just that simple.